Hello! In this short video I want to show you how to change Discord tag without Discord Nitro subscription for free. I stumbled on this topic in the community of Discord, and then I got the idea of creating a video about changing the Discord tag. I have to tell you that you can't get a tag that you want, you will get a random another one. Someone already know about this method, but I think I should to do this video. Okay, in short, this method is to replace your username to another that has your current Discord tag. Thus, there can't be two users with the same username and tag, and then your tag will change to a random one. Then you will change your username back. How to find users with your Discord tag? To do this you need to use the Dino Discord bot. You can do this on your own server with invited Dinobot, or easier way is using my server. Link to my Discord server you can find in the description. Go to my server, go to the off-topic channel, the Dinobot does work only on this channel. Enter here, Discrim, then you will get a list of users that have your current Discord tag. Copy any one of them. Go to the user settings. Click edit username. And here just paste username you copied. Enter password, and click done. As you can see, now you have another Discord tag. Then you have to change your username back. Note that your username can be changed only twice per hour, so you can get a new one tag in 1 hour. I hope this video was useful for you. Please join our Discord server and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.